Welcome to Guess Quiz. Let's do You Are Half a Doctor if you can score 15 out of 30 on this human body quiz. Can you guess it right? Please subscribe to the Guess Quiz channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go. How many bones does an adult have? Correct answer, 206. Babies are born with 270 bones, but many fuse by adulthood. Question 2. Which blood cells carry oxygen? Correct answer. Red blood cells. Red blood cells are packed with hemoglobin, your body's oxygen taxi. Question 3. Which body part heals the fastest? Correct answer. Tongue. Tongue injuries heal fast thanks to enzymes in your saliva. Question 4. Which part of the brain controls memory? Correct answer. Hippocampus. The hippocampus helps you store memories and is shaped like a seahorse. Question 5. Which sense is most linked to memory? Correct answer. Smell. Smell bypasses the brain's filter, which is why scents trigger powerful memories. Question 6. What's the longest nerve in the human body? Correct answer. Sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve is the longest and widest single nerve in the human body, running from the lower back down to the feet. Question 7. Which vitamin helps wounds heal faster? Correct answer. Vitamin C is clinically proven to be essential for wound healing because it aids collagen formation and tissue repair. Question 8. How many taste buds does a human have? Correct answer. 10,000. Your taste buds are replaced every 10 to 14 days. Question 9. What makes your blood red? Correct answer. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains iron, and it turns red when it binds with oxygen. Question 10. Which system controls body movement? Correct answer. Muscular. You have over 600 muscles, and they work in pairs to move your skeleton. Question 11. How many chromosomes do humans have? Correct answer. 46, 23 pairs. Half your chromosomes come from each parent, your genetic blueprint. Question 12. Which hormone is known as the stress hormone? Correct answer. Cortisol. Cortisol helps you survive stress, but too much can hurt your body. Question 13. Which part of your body creates saliva? Correct answer. Salivary glands. You make up to 1.5 liters of saliva daily, and it starts the digestion process. Question 14. Which organ stores bile? Correct answer. Gallbladder. The gallbladder is like a bile backpack. It stores what the liver makes. Question 15. Which part of your body has no blood supply? Correct answer. Cornea. The cornea gets oxygen directly from the air, no vessels needed. Question 16. Which is the body's largest external organ? Correct answer. Skin. Skin protects you from bacteria, UV light, and dehydration, and it weighs 8 to 11 pounds. Question 17. Which part of the nervous system controls reflexes? Correct answer. Spinal cord. Reflexes happen before your brain even processes what happened. Question 18. Which body system includes your spleen and lymph nodes? Correct answer. Lymphatic system. The lymphatic system clears out toxins and fights infections. Question 19. What is the average lifespan of a red blood cell? Correct. Answer 120 days. Your body produces 2 million new red blood cells every second. Question 20. Which organ processes sound? Correct answer. Brain. Your ears collect sound, but your brain decodes and understands it. Question 21. Which organ creates white blood cells? Correct answer. Bone marrow. Your bones aren't just structural, they're white blood cell factories. Question 22. Which organ balances fluid and electrolytes? Correct answer. Kidneys. Your kidneys manage sodium, potassium, and water levels like master chemists. Question 23. Which body part has the most sweat glands? Correct answer. Feet. Each foot has over 250,000 sweat glands. No wonder shoes get funky. Question 24. How long does it take food to digest fully? Correct answer. 24 to 72 hours. It depends on the food. Fat and meat take the longest. Question 25. Where is your funny bone located? Correct answer. Elbow. Hitting your funny bone pinches the ulnar nerve. Question 26. What gives urine its yellow color? Correct answer. Urobilin. Urobilin is a pigment formed from the breakdown of old red blood cells. Question 27. Which muscle is the strongest by size? Correct answer. Masseter. Your jaw can bite with over 200 pounds of force. Question 28. Which organ is responsible for balance? Correct answer. Inner ear. Tiny crystals in your inner ear shift as you move, like your body's gyroscope. Question 29. What part of the digestive system absorbs most nutrients? Correct answer. Small intestine. Despite the name, your small intestine is 22 feet long and does the real work. Question 30. What's the only joint that can rotate 360 degrees? Correct answer. Shoulder. The shoulder's ball and socket design gives it the widest range of motion. Which part of your body contains over 100 billion neurons? Drop your answer in the comments if you think you're doctor-level smart. Did you score 15 or more? Then congrats, you're officially half a doctor. Comment your score and tag someone brave enough to try.